whenever you're down.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I am Katrena, and this is Katrena's Prices Home, Life and More. I share home decor, indoor and outdoor tablescapes, cooking in my Prices kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. Well, summer is here. And once I start cleaning, well, I have to go from room to room because it's almost like a domino effect. Today I'm focused on my tea/snack bar area. So we're doing a little dusting, wiping down, sweeping, mopping, and touch-up painting. I'm so glad you're here with me today, and I want you to stick and stay for the entire summer home update series. So you know what to do if you're new here. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. I picked up this ribbon from my local Dollar General. The napkins, Marshalls. Cookies, snacks, Dollar General. This canister set, it was a thrift find. 3 canisters for around $10. This small vase was thrifted and it was only $3. I've had the canister and the vases for about 3 years. The coffee mugs, I found those recently at Marshall's for $5.99 each. I pulled out some florals from my floral stash along with some blueberry. This marble tray as well as this marble stand are from Ross, purchased about 5-6 years ago, as well as this home sweet home sign from Hobby Lobby. I'm mixing my new purchases with my thrifted items, so I'm excited to see what we can come up with.
To whom much is given, much is required. You've given freely that holy water. Promise to honor all you are. Father, we thank you for all you've done. We're letting go. We're letting go. We lay down every burden. We know you will sustain. So we will praise you 'cause you're worthy. Oh, let your fire come down. Oh, let your spirit reign. Do something different that we've never seen. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Forgive our expectations of trying to box you in. 'Cause God, you're so much bigger. We're humbled here again. Promise to honor all you are. Father, we thank you for all you've done. We're letting go.
If you love the A, well, that's Amazon. Check out my Amazon storefront. I have curated idea lists for every season and most holidays waiting for you. Also, check out my Walmart storefront. The link for both storefronts are in the description box and my bio. Remember, they're open 24/7 for your shopping convenience. My summer refresh for my family room is already uploaded, so if you missed it, make sure to check it out before leaving YouTube on today. As always, I appreciate your continued support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new here, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's go to my next video.